Most million-dollar stock portfolios can earn $30,000 to $50,000 a year in annual dividends. That could be enough for some people to retire and live off of. And the best part is that building up to a $1 million portfolio is a lot easier than you might think. So let's look at 6 steps you can take to help you build a $1 million dividend-paying portfolio. Number 1. Think long-term. Investing in dividend stocks isn't a quick way to get rich. You should invest for the long term, and don't let stock market volatility cause you to make rash decisions. Number 2, choose the best dividends. Investors who are looking for dividend payments should invest in companies that have been profitable for a long time and that are expected to grow their earnings by 5% to 15%. Companies should have enough cash flow to support their dividend payment programs. Investors should look for companies with a debt-to-equity ratio lower than 2. Investors should also learn about sector trends to make sure their chosen companies are on track to do well. Number 3, consistently invest. You should set money aside every month to invest in dividend stocks. This is important because you need to be consistent with your investments. You could even automate the process by setting up a monthly deposit from your checking account to your brokerage account. Then use that money to buy shares of dividend stocks each month. Number 4, get aggressive. When it comes to dividend investing, the old saying, go big or go home, definitely applies. The more money you invest each month, the faster you'll be able to build up your portfolio and begin earning a passive income. So don't be afraid to be aggressive with your investing. Do whatever you have to do in order to invest as much as you can each month. Stop going out to eat and instead put that money toward your portfolio. Stop spending money on expensive monthly subscriptions that you don't need and put that money toward investing. Take on a side hustle and put that extra money toward your portfolio. You get the idea. Every little bit counts, and the more, the better. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Number 5, reinvest all dividends. You should reinvest all the dividends you get. One way to do this is to ask your broker to automatically do it. They will put the money back into the stocks that pay the dividends. Another way is to let the dividends accumulate in cash. Then, when you are investing new money each month, invest the dividend payments as a lump sum. Before I move on to the last step, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 6, keep an eye on your stock portfolio. There are 2 things you need to do when managing your dividend portfolio. First, make sure you are still happy with the stocks you have. Are the reasons you bought the stocks in the first place still holding strong? Second, make sure that no one stock becomes too big a part of your portfolio. It's important to stay diversified and not have all or even most of your eggs in one basket. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.